It has been 10 days, but has anything changed? We are doing an audit of 10 prominent skin clinics in India and checking whether they are aware of this public notice and have they taken any corrective action or not. For the purpose of this audit, our focus is going to be on injectable cosmetics. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to be explaining what are the risks involved for these and such skin clinics. Let's get started. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Shweta Purandare, Advertising Compliance Consultant. If you and your marketing teams require any help with advertising compliance, you can reach out to me. The details are provided in the description of the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, consider subscribing to it because on my channel I bring the latest updates on advertising laws and regulations in India. Those of you who are aware of the developments know that CDSCO, that is Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, issued a notice on 18th of May clarifying what cosmetics are and what cosmetics cannot be. The public notice stated that cosmetics cannot be injected and injections cannot be used as cosmetics even by professionals like dermatologists. In this video, we have explained in detail what this public notice means, what is the interpretation of that, and how it applies to dermatologists, skin clinics, med spas, etc. So those of you who wish to understand the nitty-gritties of this public notice, do take a look at this video. So today's video is taking stock of has anything changed. It has been almost 10 days since the public notice has been issued. How are prominent skin clinics responding to this public notice? Has anything changed at all? We will be taking a look at 10 prominent skin clinics and doing a live audit as of today on the day of the shoot. A quick disclosure before we move on. This exercise is for education purpose only to increase awareness about advertising laws and regulations in India so that advertisers and marketeers are creative and compliant. We don't intend to name and shame any particular organization, but at the same time, it is important that these market leaders lead by example. And maybe in few weeks time, we will revisit these skin clinic websites and check whether they have taken cognizance of this educational video. So let's get started with this live audit as of today, that is May 27, 2026. We are going to be looking at 10 prominent skin clinics in India. How we went about selecting these? Well, ChatGPT came to our help and some few keywords on Google. We would be looking at websites of these skin clinics and we will be following an alphabetical order. For the purpose of this live audit, we will be focusing on glutathione injections or IV glutathione drips being provided by these clinics. Why so? Skin whitening injections and skin whitening treatments are very popular in India and these are being provided by skin clinics as a specialized service. Now, the main ingredient being used for these injections is glutathione. For this audit purpose, we are going to be focusing only on glutathione injectable cosmetics. Let's start with the first website. The first website is by Apollo Clinic. As you can see, they have a very impressive website. It talks about enhancing natural beauty with personalized treatments. It's a skin clinic, so naturally there are many skin conditions that they have mentioned. On the website, when you search for keyword drip, it takes us to their services IV drip therapy. So Apollo Cosmetic Clinic's website does not give too much information about injectable cosmetics. However, they do mention they have IV drip therapy. So Apollo Cosmetics Clinic, we do not find any overt mention of glutathione IV injections. Let's move on to the next clinic, which is Elixir Cosmetics. Elixir Wellness is calling themselves as to be the best skincare clinic in India and they are working with quite a few brands. As you can see in their services section, the very first service is IV therapy and they have the menu. IV drip therapy is finding a very prominent mention, a very significant mention on this website. They are calling out various benefits of IV drips like energy boost, immunity boost, cleansing, detoxification. They are promising instant hydration, immediate results, and 100% vitamin absorption. Under the beauty section, there is a whole cocktail of elixirs offering many benefits right from clear skin to no more hair fall and anti-aging. And if you see, glutathione finds a mention in many of these IV drips. So the Elixir Wellness offering quite a few elixirs of glutathione in injectable form in drip therapy. Let's move on to next clinic, which is Isaac Loops. Here again, the website is quite impressive. They talk about K-beauty treatments, body treatments, hair loss treatments, and lo behold, they have IV drip bar. IV drip bar gets a very significant mention. It's a page dedicated to IV drip bars. These drips are for restoring hydration, replenishing minerals, boosting immune system, energy boost, detoxification and cleansing. And what do you find in these IV therapies is glutathione. Towards the end of the video, I will explain why glutathione can be a problematic ingredient. Let's move on to next skin clinic that everybody knows, which is Kaya Skin Clinic. Kaya Skin Clinic homepage itself has glutathione prominently mentioned. These may be glutathione drops, but do they have drips? Let's check out. Here again, let us check whether we find something in drip. As you look for drip as a keyword, you find IV drip as one of the services. Here you find Ultimate Wellness Boost IV drip packages, and in fact they are offering buy one get one free. So Kaya Skin Clinic also has a page dedicated to IV drip therapies. They make several claims such as FDA approved advanced technology, comfortable and safe treatment experience, long lasting and visible results. Now remember, all these claims have to be substantiated. The claims have to be truthful also. So IV drips are being offered for various conditions like hair regenerist IV drips, glow IV drips, ageless IV drips, and shape up IV drips as well. And this is the menu for various drips provided by Kaya Skin Clinic. Wow, that is quite something, isn't it? Now let's move on to next one, Cosmoderma. Cosmoderma on their homepage itself in the menu offers skin lightening glutathione injections. They are being promoted for skin glow. They are saying that this is skin whitening the best way. They talk about benefits of glutathione as an active ingredient for skin whitening. Interestingly, they mention that check whether the product is US FDA approved. Here they are talking about risk involved in skin lightening, but they should be aware of the risk involved in making unsubstantiated claims, talking about regulatory approvals from other countries, and the only watch out they are giving is the product should have a label. Let's move on to the next skin clinic, which is Label. You notice that all these websites are very nicely done, they are very attractive, and they have nationwide presence also. We had done some pre-work, so we have the pages for quick reference, and here Label has a page dedicated for IV drip treatments. What does the IV drip have? Vitamin C, B complex, glutathione, L-carnitine, zinc, selenium, magnesium. So it's a cocktail of many good ingredients being sold to customers. But these IV drips are not being sold as drugs or medicines, they are being sold as beauty boost, and many cosmetic benefits have been highlighted on this page. Let's move on to the next skin clinic, which is Revive India. Here also the homepage is pretty impressive, and it starts with IV infusion therapy on the homepage itself. The first tab is for IV therapy. It talks about the benefits of IV drip therapy, and you can see the cost involved. Mini boost cost almost 8,000 rupees. Ultra Viv up to 35,000 rupees. And remember, these are not one-time treatments, because they will always say that you need to take this treatment for an extended period of time. You can imagine the extent of this IV drip industry and how big it has become in the last few years. Let's move on to the next skin clinic, which is the aestheticclinic.com. And type of skincare treatments for brightening and glow. On this website, we do not find any overt mention of injectable cosmetic or specifically glutathione for that matter. We move on to next skin clinic, which is Twacha Skin Clinic. Here they talk about various treatments and you find cosmetic injectables mentioned for various conditions. Under various conditions, let us look at aging, and for anti-aging treatment, we find they are talking about anti-wrinkle treatment injections, dermal fillers, chemical peels, thread lifts, and here is the mention of IV nutritional drips for anti-aging and for hydration. The last of the skin clinic is VLCC. VLCC also has a page dedicated for IV glutathione treatment. You should look at the claims, no adverse post effects, no downtime. And they are also talking about success stories. So these are the testimonials they are providing. And they are giving extensive FAQ on IV glutathione therapy. So as you can see, we looked at 10 prominent skin clinics in India, and almost in all of them, IV glutathione therapy is being promoted. And why this is risky? Because glutathione as an ingredient is not approved for skin lightening benefits. It's approved only for treatment of certain liver conditions. More about that in my video I mentioned earlier, and that is the reason why glutathione cannot be used as a drug product also. So injectable glutathione cannot be used as a cosmetic, and injectable glutathione is not even an approved drug as a skin whitening agent which can be used for IV drips. So skin clinics and advertisers, beware. What are the risks involved? Risks are manifold. Firstly, self-regulatory body like Advertising Standards Council of India, through their suo motu action, can look into your website communication, and website communication is also a form of advertisement. Promoting cosmetic injections like glutathione is in direct violation of the public notice issued by the Central Drugs Standards Control Organization. So thereby you are violating advertising laws as well. Thirdly, advertising and promoting an illegal product format is in violation of Central Consumer Protection Authority rules. You could be in violation of the advertising regulations against misleading advertisements issued by CCPA, and the fines are very hefty, ranging from 10 lakh rupees to 50 lakh rupees. CCPA penalties on one side, but there is a high risk of adverse publicity as well, and a very high risk of reputation damage. Who could complain against your website communication? It could be a consumer, it could be a consumer organization, it could be a suo motu complaint by the Advertising Standards Council of India, it could be your rivals and other professionals as well. So advertisers, beware, stay creative, but stay compliant as well. Do you want us to revisit these same 10 skin clinic websites in a few weeks from now to check whether they have taken cognizance of this video or not? Let us know in comments. For more such audits and ad reviews, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.